Hello and welcome to ShelterMode, the premier YouTube channel for shipping container living. In this video, we bring to you Modbox 3840, a luxury container house designed using 12 40-foot shipping containers. Stay tuned to find out more about this amazing container house design. Welcome back. If you are looking for modern floor plans for container homes, a weekly update on case studies of the most influential shipping container homes from around the world, and detailed articles from our building guide for shipping container homes, then feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel for these and more amazing weekly videos. Remember to click on the bell so that you get notified whenever we post a new video. Without further ado, let's get started. Design concept. Modbox 3820 is designed from 12 40-foot shipping containers. The containers are placed parallel to each other in pairs of 4 40-foot shipping containers stacked on 3 levels to form a block of 12 40-foot shipping container house design. The containers are placed in parallel by alternating the open side containing the original container doors used in an open position and welded in place to create nice Juliet balconies as outdoor spaces. On the ground floor, however, the shipping container end panels on the living room side are all opened up and fitted with full height sliding glass doors for adequate lighting and ventilation to the living space. Foundation design. The shipping containers sit on an elevated concrete pier foundation. This is to enable us elevate the shipping containers away from moisture and also to allow us to conduct our plumbing on the underside with ease. Feel free to check out our previous video on the best foundation types to use on shipping container homes and buildings. Design brief. In these 12 shipping containers, we've managed to accommodate as much function as we could and providing adequate spaces for each function. On the ground floor level, we have an entrance porch accessed from a front deck into a slightly recessed entrance porch fitted with a nice solid door as the main entrance. You get into an entrance lobby from which you can access the most public and semi-public spaces on that floor. On your right hand side, we have a cloakroom or a guest bathroom on that particular side and a small laundry space. On the opposite side of the entrance lobby, we have a guest bedroom with a walk-in closet. Further ahead, we have an open plan living space containing a kitchen with a breakfast island for 3. We have a nice dining space which can seat up to 8 and a nicely furnished cozy lounge space. From the staircase lobby, you can take the staircase to the first floor level where you land into a common lobby space from which you can access 3 bedrooms with their own walk-in closets. We have a common bathroom with a bathtub, a toilet and a vanity sink. We have a small space that can be used as a store or a pantry to the house. On this particular level, we also have a private family room where you can relax or watch TV away from the public living space on the ground floor level. Last but not least, on the topmost floor, we have a master bedroom with a bathroom. We also have an extra bedroom that can also be used as a children's playroom or a romper's room. We have a big space for an exercise room, or what you would call a home gym. We also have a home office or a reading room for the house, and also we have additional storage for any extra items for this amazing house. Something to note is that each and every room that is fronting the house or at the rear of the house has access to the alternating balconies on each and every level of this amazing house. As usual, you are encouraged to observe proper insulation and ventilation. If you live in the cold climate areas, you can use closed cell spray foam insulation for your house. And if you live in the tropics, try keep away heat from your house as much as possible. The inside of this shipping container house is all designed with the light colored paints on the ceiling and on the walls to help the space appear bigger and brighter, helping us to kill that claustrophobic feel of living in a container box. You can also try out different furnishing ideas like Murphy beds, which can transform some of the bedrooms into a bed space at night and a children's playroom or a romper's room during the day. When it comes to outdoor seating or outdoor spaces, we've provided Juliet balconies on each and every level on the first floor and on the second floor level of the house. And on the ground floor level, we have generous outdoor seating spaces. We have a front deck and an additional deck at the rear of the building, which is very ideal for evening dinners and barbecue parties. When it comes to exterior design, we have tried to maintain the original look and state of our shipping containers as much as possible in this design. And if you look at it clearly, you will see the grooves of the original corrugations are highly visible from outside. And we've painted the containers different colors with the darker colors on the ground floor level, and they lighten up as you go upwards. You can try out different color combinations depending on what works for you. The windows also used adequate sizes, and therefore there will be no need for specialized modifications when it comes to the structure and modifications, save for the open plan living spaces on the ground floor level and on the first floor level living room, plus the additional space on the topmost floor for the gym. All those internal walls that were cut out need to be replaced by additional steel reinforcement to maintain the structural integrity of your shipping containers. We love the open plan living space of this amazing shipping container house design, and we've just demonstrated the ability to use any given number of shipping containers to attain a design arrangement of your choice. What do you like about this amazing shipping container house design? Kindly give us your opinion by posting in the comment section below. If you have any questions or clarifications, you can contact us on our social media pages. All the links provided in the description below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. If you love shipping container homes or you are planning on building one, our YouTube channel is a one-stop shop for a complete guide on how to design, how to build, how to insulate, and a collection of hundreds of blueprints for container homes designs. In addition, we also cover case studies of the best homes made from shipping containers from around the world. For this and more, feel free to subscribe and remember to click on the bell so that you don't miss out on any of our amazing weekly videos. You can also contact us on our website sheltermode.com or follow us on social media platforms through the links in the description below.